If your central air conditioner fan motor is not running, here are the two most probable causes. The condenser fan motor itself could be defective. The fan blades attached to the motor shaft should rotate freely. If they do not, it's likely the motor has seized. You can also use a multimeter to test that the motor is receiving incoming power. Provided the capacitor is working properly and the meter shows that incoming power is present, it's likely that the motor windings are malfunctioning and the motor will need to be replaced. A single-run or dual-run capacitor stores an electrical charge, then releases it to power the fan motor in the condensing unit. If the capacitor is defective, the fan motor may not run at all. When a capacitor fails, it will often bulge or leak. If you observe any bulging or leaking, the capacitor must be replaced. You can use a multimeter to test the capacitor's ability to store and release an electrical charge, as well as determine if the component has a proper capacitance rating, provided the multimeter has a capacitor testing function. Before handling the capacitor, you should release the potentially stored electrical charge to avoid injury. You can do this by placing a screwdriver with an insulated handle across each set of terminals. Be very careful not to touch the screwdriver blade when doing this. Both of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product to find the specific replacement part that will fix your central air condensing unit.